Hello everybody, welcome to our class Passionate Learners. So today in this class we're going to discuss a topic from psychology. The topic is hazards during development from prenatal to old age. We all know the different stages of development across the human life, starting from the prenatal stage. Next comes the infancy stage, and then early childhood, late childhood, adolescence, middle age, and finally the old age. So each and every stage has the hazards. We're gonna discuss about hazards in each and every stage, starting from the prenatal stage. Hazards of prenatal period. Now the first one is the genetic abnormalities account for approximately 10 to 15% of miscarriages. If there is any problem in the genes, then this may lead to miscarriage. The second one is the HIV, transfer of HIV from mother to child. And the third one is vitamin deficiency problem. So what happens is, we all know that a parent, the mother who is carrying a baby in her womb, has to get some vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium and folic acid. If these are not given properly, then the proper development may not happen to the child in her womb. So these are the hazards of prenatal period. And next, coming to hazards during early childhood. So early childhood, we all know that it is the stage of troublesome age, and it is also an accident prone age. Here the child always tries to throw the temper tantrums. So here there will be eating problems like not eating, vomiting, etc. And then there will be also sleeping problems. And we already discussed that it is the accident prone stage which affect child physically and psychologically. Next thing is the hazards in later childhood. So what happens in this later childhood? There may be physical illness like fever, stomach pain. We often come across children complaining that they are suffering from fever and stomach pain. So these are some of the physical problems, but it may also create some psychological problem, because here a child observes that whenever he or she complains that he or she had some fever or illness, parents start providing them the extra care. So now what happens is that in order to grab the attention, in order to get more attention than usual, they always try to fake the illness. So this is what we can observe in some of the school children. So this is also a hazard. And the next thing is obesity, sex inappropriate body build which leads to personal and maladjustments. Obesity in the sense overweight. And the third one is awkwardness due to comparison. Here the neighbors will start comparing their child to another child, which may create some disturbance in the child. So this is disturbance here is nothing but the awkwardness. And then speech hazards. We all know few children stammer. So while they are stammering, the other child starts laughing. So this is also a hazard. And then family conflicts. If there is any conflict between the parents, between the wife and husband, the child, there is a problem for the child growth psychologically. So this is an hazard in later childhood. And now coming to hazards in adolescence. Now what happens is here sex problems, heightened emotions due to physical changes. We all know that adolescence is a stage of stress and storm. And social problems. Some child here will be unwilling to follow social values and heterosexual orientation, which leads to disturbances and disconnection with the society and education. We all know that it's a stage where body there occurs many body changes, and even the heterosexual feeling starts developing at this stage. Means a child gets attracted towards the opposite sex, which may also create problems. And hazards in the early and middle adulthood. What happens here is drug and alcohol abuse. We can find that many people get addicted to these drugs or alcohol at this stage. And religious hazards. So some people will tend to be in their religious or spiritual kind of thing always. This this anything if done if done overly, it is a bad thing, means it is a kind of hazard. It is a kind of hazard. And next is the peer group influence. Peer group in the sense friend circle. If the friend circle is big, and if a person is not if the person is much oriented to the friends rather than family, or looking after the family, then it is also a kind of hazard. And next is the unrealistic aspirations. Means we can find some people who always wanted good to happen to them. If they cannot take it if anything bad happens to them. They cannot understand that good and bad both are part and parcel of the life. So they live in this unrealistic situation. So that is nothing but unrealistic aspirations, means not accepting things like that. So all these are the hazards in early and middle adulthood. And next thing is hazards in old age. So decline in intellectual abilities, we all know that. And Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is something which is related to memory loss and eyesight. There will be problem in the eyesight, and depression and dissatisfaction. So all these are the hazards in the developmental stages, starting from prenatal to the old age. So I hope I'm clear about this topic. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to Passionate Learners. Thank you so much.